What's up guys, Dino here, and we're at Buy Fast Auto Sales. We're going to be changing the Otterstat on this DeLorean. So the Otterstat is actually a really small temperature switch, and it goes on the cooling pipe that shoots forward into the radiator in the front of the car. And what this does specifically is just switch your fan on and off. Different from the temperature switch. The temperature switch is for your gauge. So looking at the car here, the Otterstat will be located right here. Let's go ahead and hop onto the car. So essentially it's just a temperature switch. DeLorean decided to call it the Otterstat. I guess it's a thermostat, but it's otter. Otterstat, just like the animal. Let's go ahead and slide under this corner of the car. And we're gonna have the Otterstat right there. So if you notice, it's got a clip right here that you should be able to flip down with your finger. Now keep in mind, this is the coolant pipe, so I wouldn't do this with the vehicle hot. And also keep in mind, you will be launching coolant from there, so watch your eyes. I already unplugged it. The plug is right here. So you just slide the plug off. You can do this with your hand and the Otterstat will pop right out. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy out. Oh yeah. Just take that same clip. It goes in between the terminals. It snaps right in. All right, so we got the clip in, and now we just go ahead and plug in the Otterstat. It's got two individual terminals, and there you have it. All right, guys, so that was the installation of the Otterstat on the DeLorean. Join us next time, and as always, if you have any questions, go ahead and shoot me a message or a comment, and let me know what you want to see next time. I'm always open to suggestions.